Hello people! Today's tutorial is for all those in love. If you're among them, check out this tutorial. Here's a creative way to express your love for your significant other and share it with your Instagram followers. You've probably seen such stories before. Let me show you how to make one yourself. Prepare photos with your loved ones. Let's start. Open the Instagram app. Press the search button at the bottom of the screen. In the search field, type "Add your stickers." When the profile with that username appears, open it. Add yours templates are found in the profile's highlights. Scroll to the left through the highlights until you find the highlight named AYST7. Be patient because there are many highlights. When you find the AYST7 highlight, open it. Browse through the story templates until you find the story with the National Couple Day template. Add the template to your story by clicking the Add Yours button. Import a photo from your phone's gallery by clicking the icon in the bottom right corner. Select the photo you want to post. You can position and resize the Add Yours sticker as desired. I'll move it up so the photo is visible. If you want more details, feel free to add them. I'll draw a heart now. You can add stickers, text, or effects. Be creative and share your love with your followers. For more tutorials, browse our channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, press the subscribe button and stay updated with our content.